Hey, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. This time I will show you how to add an embed to your Webflow page. So an embed is basically an element in which you can store, for example, code, HTML, JavaScript, all sorts of things. And we are using it most of the time if we want to embed something from a different page. So I'm going here to the add menu, then I'm going to choose embed. And now I can just drag it over to here. So as you just saw, you can put an embed into a rich text, but you can obviously into a div block. So here now the custom code editor opens up. And this is where the magic happens. In this custom code editor, I can literally paste in everything. And everything that is in here will just be rendered once the website is published. So if I, for example, paste in my Calendly code here, you won't see anything. It will just say, hey, this is a script tag, and you will only see it on the exported page. But don't worry about this, it will show. And I just used the Calendly embed here because this is a very, very common use case. So for example, if you want to embed your calendar on your Webflow website, I would go in here, copy over the code, and then I can paste the code in here, save. And in my case now, I can publish the website, and now the Calendly embed should show up on our imprint page. But this can literally be any sort of code that you will use. It can be code that will have some sort of functionality or that will show itself on the front end, but can also be, for example, a tracking code or anything like that. Now we are going into the imprint page, and as you can see here, the code is already loading and we have all of the rest of the content down below. Yeah, and this is as simple as it gets when it comes to the code embeds. And just as a side note, you can also always have multiple code embeds on one page. If you have any questions around this, make sure to put them in the comments below. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Bye bye.